How to add Revolut card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet app. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can head towards your app store, search for the app Apple Wallet and install it. Once you install this app, launch it. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different card options will be available. Now go ahead and click on the option that is suitable for you. For instance, I will be selecting debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Now you can position your card in the frame to scan it, or also you can click on this option of enter card details manually. Now you have to fill this, verify and complete your card information. Type in your name and then type in your card number. Once you fill this, you have to click on next and go through the process. With that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add Revolut card to your Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.